Hiboy Max3 electric scooter, 350W motor 10. Upgrade your travel, features powerful 350W rear motor. Hiboy Max3 electric scooters can reach to 18 miles per hour and 15% hill grade, travel up to 17 miles. 3 ride modes help you maximize range and control the proper speed for any skill level. Wider 10-inch off-road pneumatic tires, features self-healing tires. The dual-density tires are wider and inflated with air that can withstand multiple punctures, less than 6 mm in diameter, without tire deflation prevents a potential tire replacement with better safety. Reliable and durable frame. Using a durable metal frame, Hiboy built the Max3 scooter reliable and with a wider deck to make the rider stay balanced on a wide and stable platform and max load of 220 pounds. Comfortable and safe riding, equipped with a wider deck and 10-inch fat pneumatic tires ensure max comfort, even on speed bumps or rough surfaces. The headlight and brake light make you see and be seen at night. The dual mechanical disc braking and e-braking system ensure braking safety. Take it anywhere. The scooter has a portable folding design and can be put in compact space like a car truck. It's also easy to carry and bring into the metro station, elevator, etc. Avoiding the crowds and getting there sooner, you can save time and money to do it by having fun. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.